Great morning, my dear students. Welcome to the science class. My name is Jyoti and I am your science educator. So today we are going to continue our exercise question answers. So we have discussed 5 exercise question answers. We are going to continue from the question number 6. So question number 6 is, what happens when kerosene oil and cooking oil are added to the water? Why? Answer is, both kerosene oil and cooking oil are insoluble in water. Also their density is less than that of water, so they floats on the water. So as you all know that all the oils have the property to float onto the surface of the water. So when we add and when we try to mix kerosene oil and cooking oil into the water, so they form a separate layer onto the water. Okay, so they are insoluble in water and they float onto the surface of water because they have very less density than the water. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 7 is, what is transparency? Transparency क्या होती है? Transparency is the condition of being transparent, means from which the light can be passed through. ओके जिसमें से लाइट पास ऑन हो जाती है, दैट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट मटीरियल. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. नेम 5 थिंग्स मेड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मटीरियल्स. You have provided the different kinds of materials and you have to tell that from these materials which kind of things can be made. So from cotton we can make shirt, sari, bed sheets and trousers. They can be made from the cotton fabric. Okay, so B is leather. From leather we can make jacket, belt, wallet, purse, shoe. Okay, table mat, bowl, tumbler, these kinds of things can be made from the plastic. And metals and wood. मेटल से हम क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? सो व्हीकल बना सकते हैं, फैन, कूलर, कंटेनर, दीज काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम द मेटल. एंड वुड, वुड से क्या क्या बनाया जा सकता है? टेबल बनाई जा सकती है, चेयर, डोर, कबर्ड्स. सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम द वुड. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 is, classify the following materials into transparent, translucent and opaque. You have provided the different kinds of materials and you have to classify them according to their transparency. Transparent materials includes glass window, plastic used to cover books and acrylic sheets. These are the things which are transparent. Okay, and translucent materials are, that is oily paper, thin muslin cloth, frosted glass, glass in bathroom. So these are the materials which are translucent in nature, which allow light partially to pass through them. Okay, and next is mostly translucent but maybe, देखो बेटा, कुछ ग्लास होते हैं जो कि ट्रांसपेरेंट होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ग्लासेस ऐसे होते हैं विच कैन बी ट्रांसलूसेंट. दीज आर फ्रॉस्टेड ग्लासेस. ओके, एंड बटर पेपर एज वेल, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रांसलूसेंट. Okay, and let's move on to next thing, that is opaque. Opaque objects, you all know that which does not allow light to pass through it. Okay, wood, wall, metal sheet and notebook. These are the things which are opaque, and opaque objects always form shadow. So let's move on to the internal question answers. Internal question answers are, first question is, name 2 things that are made up of metals. अब metal से बनी हुई 2 चीज़ों के नाम बताने हैं. Utensils, अब देखो बर्तन है जो हमारे, वो किस चीज़ से बने हुए हैं? वो metal से ही तो बने हुए हैं, ठीक है. And the vehicles, their body of the vehicles are made up of metals. Question number 2 is, name 2 things that can be made from 2 different materials. अब ऐसी चीज़ों के नाम बताने हैं आपको, ऐसे दो चीज़ों के नाम बताने हैं जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मटेरियल से बनाई जा सकती है, लेकिन वो चीज़ सेम एक ही होगी, ठीक है। जैसे कि पेन है और प्लेट है। दीज कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम ग्लास एज वेल एज दीज कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम द प्लास्टिक एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द स्टील, ठीक है। तो ये तीन तीन चीज़ों से बनाई जा सकती है, फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक, फ्रॉम ग्लास एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द स्टील, ओके। पेन कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम स्टील, plastic as well as from the glass, okay. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 3 is, why does a shopkeeper group various items in his shop? Answer is, a shopkeeper groups various items in his shop for his convenience. He does this so that he can remember where he has kept different things and save his time. तो शॉपकीपर है जो, वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आइटम्स है वो अलग अलग क्यों रखता है? इट इज़ डन फॉर देयर कन्वीनियंस, ताकि कोई कस्टमर आए बाद में दे कैन ईजिली फाइंड आउट दैट प्रोडक्ट विच द कस्टमर वांट, ओके। सो दे डज इट फॉर द कन्वीनियंस, फॉर मेक इट ईजी टू फाइंड आउट, ओके, एंड इट ऑल्सो सेव्स देयर टाइम. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. This is today's last question which we are discussing. Okay, so question number 4 is, define classification. Classification is a process of sorting out and grouping things accordingly to some basis or criteria. अब क्लासिफिकेशन क्या होती है? क्लासिफिकेशन इज अ प्रोसेस, इट इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच द थिंग्स कैन बी easily separated. Classification, it is the process of sorting out things. We can easily separate out things onto the basis of their basic criteria. Okay, it can be their properties as well as it can be their material transparency. Okay, we can classify them according to their basic criteria. So we have discussed the 4 question answers today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.